what Babu said. When we came into office, we had a long battle, useless, let me say, unnecessary battle with fever. And we decided that it wasn't going to last a month longer. I picked the call, I called fever, and I told Ababu to do what he must. Congratulations, Waziri, you did a sterling job. We are back on the spot. Same thing, I had to call Sebastian Coe to come here because our athletics was at the verge of being banned in the international arena. On the creative economy, our commitments include leveraging our digital prowess to enhance the creative economy's position as a significant sector and increase its contribution to fashion and value addition to leather and craft export. We also pledge to protect intellectual property rights as the foundation of effective monetization and mainstream the development of arts and culture infrastructure. Our commitment also extends to incorporating the creative economy into the Brand Kenya and commercial diplomacy initiatives, establish a vibrant film ecosystem, and facilitate the monetization of music to promote entrepreneurship. Since taking office, we have been involved in developing appropriate mechanisms of enriching and delivering our pledges. Today, I am happy to share with the country a glimpse of what we have been up to and a taste of the brilliant things to come out of our sporting and creative ecosystem. It is the intentional refinement and elaboration of our pledges and promises that have now been developed into the Sports and Creative Economy Master Plan, or Talanta Hela. Under it, we are committing to facilitate the development of legal frameworks, economic institutions, and organizational mechanisms to promote the effective and sustainable monetization of all talent in our sports and creative economies. Through this convergence, Talanta Hela projects the government's determination to turn competitive capabilities across all sporting disciplines and expansive spectrum of the creative industry into music and dance, film and theater, fashion,